It's been a while, again, but we're back now, and it's time for you all to see my death button. Alright, so here's my death button. What do you think? Anyway, I'm gonna tell you how it exactly works. So if I press the button, it will exactly eat my family, and then in 5 seconds they'll say no more words, and then they'll become dead. This is better than a gun, and it's safer, so yeah. Anyway, time to kill. Ha ha ha! Oh yeah, another great day in this house. Ahem. Hey Rosie, what have you got there? Oh, this? It's just the death button. Why have you got a death button? Exactly, it'll kill you. How? It doesn't even kill me. Well, exactly. If I press this button, I'll yeet you, and then in 5 seconds after, you'll no longer talk, and then you'll be dead. Ha ha ha! Oh, no way, mister. Too late. Time to press that death button in 3, 2, 1. Oh, what is even going on? Why? Oh! No, brother! Oh, come on, man! Oh, no, my only girl I'll ever be with! Oh, I don't know what's even going on right now! Oh. Is that everyone? Yes, it is! Time to run away! Wahaha! Hey, where's my family gone? It feels like I haven't even seen them all day. Meh. Oh well, I'll just go and see where the family has gone. I mean, seriously, why does everything have to keep getting so weird? Also, why is all of our mouths not moving? Well, exactly, Rosie activated a death button, now she's gonna kill us all! And it's too late to turn back now! Oh my god, this is the end, everyone. Hey, where's Kaya? We haven't even seen him all day. Oh, this is our goodbyes now. To be continued.